Namaskar and welcome to Golden Epaulets podcast by Pilots for Pilots. My name is Ronak. Continuing on the part 2 with Captain Nikita Tomar. I find her very full of life. Her feisty nature, her resilience is all that has kept me captivated so far. Well, more enchantment needed. Over to you, Captain Nikita. I have a question.
Yes.
When last we left it on, कि आपने decide किया, some kind soul told you that, why don't you give a shot at being a pilot? Being a pilot is not easy.
It is not.
Financially, mentally.
Yes.
So
It has been a very draining process.
yeah. So who replenished you in that draining process? I need to know about your journey and what support came to you in what form, and whenever you got down, who was the one person or thing that trait picked you up? So please tell us all.
So during my journey, I met many people, but the most influential person for me was my mentor, Sudhir Bhuti sir, whom I have taken ground classes. When everyone mocked my knowledge, because as you know, my background, I don't have physics and maths in my 12. So I was still kind of, trying to understand aviation, the aerodynamics and whole thing. He would actually motivate me. I mean, he would give me the strength to understand my abilities, and I would give a very big credit to him for making me who I am, for, fueling my ambition when everyone was against
That's
me.
Captain S. Booty.
Captain, yes. He's Wing Commander Sudeep
Wing
Bhuti.
Commander, okay.
He's the one I started my classes from when the online game wasn't on, and I used to travel all the way from Dwarka to Punjabi Bagh, where he was
Rohtak
based.
Road. Yeah, those days. Yeah.
Those days, yes.
Now we do have lovely platforms and
I'm really happy that we do have, because you don't really have to travel. That time could be utilized in many other things. That time was gone. I remember talking to captains, or finding a pilot whom you can discuss was a task. Now many people wonderfully are doing these things, doing their podcast like us. We now
like
talking
us.
about aviation,
Like at GE, we have many
Yes.
guest faculty who come over,
Yes.
and every now and then we ask them to speak to our students and exchange numbers and information, so that they have the confidence that I have a mentor
Yes.
somewhere, who's
Yes.
going to guide me. It's like a lighthouse for me. So I know how that feels.
It's a great platform, because you should know, before getting into any field, what exactly is expected out of you.
Yeah.
Because I understood the aviation by entering when I was already there.
Trial and error.
Yes, trial and error, and I made some mistakes. I took some wrong
We all
decisions.
did.
We all
We
did,
all
right?
did. Plenty.
Plenty, there's no limit to it. But now, thanks to people like many aviation centers, including us, you guys, that we are giving the platform. We
Yes.
are letting
We try. We try.
we are letting the students to directly interact with the people who are there, who have been into aviation for a long time, and understanding what exactly is going to be their life as a commercial pilot
Right.
once they get into aviation.
Right,
So,
absolutely. And I remember you telling me, this was a while back, whenever we've had a discussion or whenever you've been at a low phase, I remember you telling me that Ronak, friends aate jate rahe hain, obviously. Matlab, there have been some stable, good
Yeah.
friends as well, but you've
Yes.
told me that there's one thing that's been constant for me. That's my family.
Yes.
Oh, I know your father is the one
Yes.
who has,
Yes.
a lot of, he motivates you a lot. So
Yeah.
I want to know how they helped you in this process.
As far as my parents are concerned, they have gone way above and beyond, by giving that unwavering support to my ambition, for making me a pilot, relentless nights and determination, and going against the societal pressure that you have daughters and you are putting so much into them. And my parents have taken it way too seriously. They're like, we will make sure that our daughters would set an example. Other than that, there's this one hidden face behind my life. That's my sister.
Your sister? Okay.
Who's there right now with me behind the screen and always cheering me up.
Okay.
I had many lows and ups,
Okay.
ups and downs in my life, how life is. It cannot be perfect. We all have the graph going up and down, but she's the best friend in my life. I mean, whenever she's there, I don't need anyone to be with me, because every phase of my life it's good, it's bad, she was always there.
Sisterhood.
My sister, yes.
Yeah.
You can say that, sisterhood. I mean, even now, she's like my driver, she's my stylist. She's the one who still gives me lectures how to be, a strong, independent.
And I remember one particular thing. You were a commerce student.
Yes.
So you didn't know anything about physics
No.
and mathematics.
I
And
was about to come to that.
yeah, and Annie, on the other hand, was a state topper.
Yes.
So I believe she's the one who coached you to be, level up there as well, because those were your very underconfident days as well.
Yes.
And yes, I think she's there. Like, let's get on to that. That's Annie, present for you, always having her sister's back in the
Always
studio.
having my back and cheering me up every time.
Hi, Captain.
All right. Well, we wish more siblings and sisters were like that. I just hope deep down in my heart. So yeah,
Yes.
that's it's very sweet to see you,
You know,
guys.
there's a saying when they say that, when a woman is successful, there is a clan of a woman behind her. For me, it's her and many other female friends and my colleagues who have constantly motivated me.
Oh,
Just by looking at them, just by having them around,
Yeah.
that's all I needed,
Yeah.
The mental support, that's the most important thing for me.
Right.
And I'm really proud of it. They say when you empower a woman, you empower a generation.
Yes.
So,
Yes. And well, it has been in your case.
Yes.
I'm sure while climbing, you have empowered. You've lifted.
yes, I have lifted while I was climbing.
Absolutely. I
Yes.
think I know that.
Yes.
I know that from
You have been also
Yeah.
a part of my journey, how
yes,
we
but
met.
I've seen you. I've seen you.
Yes.
Do that bit of empowerment. Have that association with. Have that all heart association with animals, for which we
Yes.
had to stop you at certain times and
Yes.
request you to draw boundaries
Yes.
because
Yeah.
all
I
heart
get
for
way
an-
too emotional,
yeah.
Yeah. I mean, it's like, my body just go ahead and, my soul just somewhere leave behind, So, yeah, I mean, yes, I have started to draw a boundary like we discussed. So, yeah.
Yeah. So the parents have been there, and financially they supported you a lot.
A lot, I would say,
And
yes.
your education, your pilot training came from education loan and savings.
Yes, majorly from education loan from Punjab National Bank, like I mentioned in many of my podcasts as well. And then, secondly, a bit of small savings my parents had for our education.
And how soon were you able to pay all that back?
Honestly, even when I got my commercial pilot license, and there were no jobs in the market, for a couple of years, and because even loan has a tenure that after this time, because they assume that you would take 2 years or say 3 years, and then they would expect you to start repaying the loan. But in my case, that didn't happen. So I had to go back to the hotels and work as a guest representative officer to have a salary of 35,000, so I could at least start paying a bit of my loan amount.
As a commercial pilot license holder.
Yes. And when I got to the hotel and my colleagues, and I told them that I hold a CPL, they just couldn't believe me.
Yeah.
They
You're like, what are you doing here?
Yeah, they're like, no, it's not possible.
It's not possible.
Because I used to travel by bus, from Dwarka to the Shelton Hotel and all. So they just didn't believe me.
तुम
And
झूठ बोल रहे हो. It's not possible.
it's not possible.
People like
तुम
you are.
pilot होके कैसे बस में
I
धक्के खा रहे
know,
हो?
I know.
I said it's a phase and I'm enjoying it. Let me enjoy. I'm dwelling in, right? So yes.
Yes. That speaks volumes. Well, that you being able to enjoy that phase, learn from it, the sisterhood, the family. Any other particular mentor apart from Captain Booty who's been, who's cast an, impact on you and your mind?
Indeed. I mean, I haven't met many people, but I do remember some people who have inspired me a lot. So there's this Captain Chandrasekhar I met when I was doing my training with my ex-airline, and he literally uplifted my dreams, my spirits to next level, because now I'm flying as a commercial pilot, right? So there has been times when I doubted my abilities, but he never let me down. And then at the end of the day, because of his confidence on me and my sim partner, we were literally known as Power Pack girls of our ex-airline. So yes, I would say that he was one of my best, incredible person that I have met during my journey.
Oh, that's lovely.
I owe it to him.
Well, when I know so for a fact, I personally believe that, people are placed in your way to help you if you really have deep intent
I agree.
towards something.
Yeah.
And by listening to your story, it feels like he was one of those,
He was indeed.
for you in your life. Well, again, we haven't had enough to talk.
Yes.
We have to chat more. We have
Yes.
to get more out of you. So keep waiting for part 3, Golden Epaulets Aviation.